sir. Actually, I belong to Bihar state. I'm a teacher
Mhm.
in private school, and
Mhm.
nowadays I'm helping to the beginner student in a spoken field. And if I discuss about my hobbies, so I like to interact with the peoples, visiting various kinds of places, and yeah, it's all about me. And I
Yes,
would
so
like to know about you, sir, as well.
it's myself, Gyanagnihotrica, and I am a government school English lecturer, English teacher. And on top of that, I am online spoken English trainer, communication coach. I teach students across India, professional students. Yes. So
Yeah, sir, where do you live?
yeah, I live in Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, and how long have you been working in this field? You
Actually, in the communications, I have more than 11 years experience of teaching communication skills students on
okay? All now,
online and
all
offline, online and offline. But now, from last 5 years, specifically, I'm focusing on online only.
that's great. Actually, when I saw you, sir, I was considering you are a big businessman because you looked like businessman in your
Oh, I
profile.
think
So in
from
your
my profile.
profile, yeah, the way you look, looked like. So I was considering you are any big company of honor. But
I no, it's not like that. I don't know that why you have this thought like
okay,
this. So
yeah, okay, sir. So nowadays, we will, discuss about issues of the learner, right? So, sir, what is your opinion about grammar?
about for English speaking, right? You
Yes.
want to know about? I am telling you the grammar. Don't study grammar. If you want to speak fluent English, so you do not need to learn grammar. And the more you will focus on the grammar, the more you will struggle for fluency. Actually, the fluency has nothing to do with grammar. You will learn grammar automatically in the course of learning English. So, so fluency has three aspects. Three. You need to focus three things. The first thing is learn learn English in the phrases. Phrase means group of words, where 3 to 4 words means one words, right? So
Mm-hmm.
the more you will learn the phrase, the more better you will speak. Already in the phrase there is grammar is already there. Already grammar is involved there, right? So
Yeah.
learn English in the phrase. First thing. Second thing, that the learn English in a active mode, right? The most of English learner, they focus on the grammar, vocabulary, and lots of other lesson where they are not focusing on active mode. Active mode means speaking. So, and the final thing is that learn like a baby. How baby is learning? Baby is learning by watching and modeling. He watch somebody who is speaking English. He listens
Mm-hmm.
who is speaking English and listen it and then speak. Okay, so the best way is you can simply watch a YouTube video, simply watch a story based YouTube video, 2 or 3 minutes video, and then try to speak same video. You do not need any
Mm.
trainer, you do not need any course, anything, nobody. You do not need to speak with somebody, no. Simple watch a simple story video and then simply speak, watch and speak. The more you will do this, the better you will speak within 1 month only. You will learn the
Yeah.
grammar and everything automatically.
Yeah, you're right. I'm also agreed because of as much as we will reach at the level of grammar portion, as much as confusion has been increasing, right? And having fear whenever we connect with any person and start talking. At that time, our intention would be distracting, right, into a various part of it. And we are internally considering like it will be going on well or not, according to grammar. So you are right, sir. I'm also agreed. And sir, I would like to know your strategy for learning vocabulary. How do you
Yes.
learn vocabulary?
Yes, actually, I'm telling you, learning vocabulary is very easy, but you have to change your strategy. Strategy means if you are learning new word, so you need to instantly focus how the word is being used, right? And once you are learning word in a sentence, so you will able to learn the grammar, you will learn
Mhm.
pronunciation, and most important, how to use it. Already, suppose that you are learning a new word, hate, right? And hate means, that it's a strong dislike. So rather than learning the hate and memorizing the word hate, you need to learn with the sentence and use instantly. Now, I hate non-veg. Simple. I hate non-veg. It's automatically in sentence. It's correct. This is the way. Now you can say that Chandan hates street food. Instantly, it's correct. So you need to learn vocabulary in the context, in the sentences. So you will learn automatically how to use it. Rather than memorizing, learn how to use it. And instantly using in the sentences, you will able to use very quickly. And you will never forget. What idea?
Okay. According to you, sir, we should be learning any vocabulary that is much better. We should be start knowing how to utilize that vocabulary in our
Yes.
conversation. Right.
Yes. How to use, and
Okay.
basically once you are just learning new words, don't learn from from the list. Learn from conversation, learn from the context, how it is being used there, how
Oh,
it is being
yeah,
used,
yeah.
any new, and then use it instantly, start using it.
Yeah, sir. You're right. I'm also agreed. I think we need to learn the uses of all the vocabulary in good manner into sentence. That would be
Right.
much convenient. Yeah, more than remembering any vocabulary.
That's
Yeah,
right.
you are right. Because I'm having so many learners have been accumulating a different kinds of vocabulary, and instead of they are not knowing how to use that kinds of vocabulary in their sentence, but they have been gathering only vocabulary, and by
No,
the
no, that is not
engagement
going
of
to
time they forget all. They forget all.
that is not going to work, and you need to learn the phrase. And I'm telling you that actually I teach students the fluency phrases. A fluency phrases means that you will learn a phrase and you will start using instantly, and your fluency will instantly become much better. So focus on the
Yeah,
phrase. Focus on the phrase rather than new words. What it is.
you are right. Because as I consider, I would recommend so many learner like you need to learn only one vocabulary in a day. Do not insist a lot of having so many vocabulary, right? Learn only one vocab, and you need to use that vocabulary in your conversation time. That would be much easy, right?
Yes, well. Yes, can
Because
you
after
can you tell me?
crossing, yes,
Hmm?
after
Hmm.
crossing 13 days, you will have 13 vocabulary experience, right?
Hmm.
Because we are going to learn second language. There is no need to hurry. Patiently, gradually, we need to, you know, store the data related of this language and need to be consistent only, right?
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Are you asking me something?
Yes, actually, I would like to ask you about your English learning journey.
Yeah. Actually, I started, I think, 1 year before, but at the time I was talking with the people as audio conversation. After crossing 6 months, I got to realize no, that would not good. That was not good for me because ultimately we have to interact with the people face to face. So the problem was that at the time, with whom I could interact, right, as a video conversation. So one day I used to watch some English content over YouTube. So I got the idea if I would create some channel. So by the help of this platform, I can reach to the people and maintain conversation, right? So that's why I created platform and I started approaching to the peoples. And nowadays I'm helping to the many learner. So this is my journey.
Yes, it's good. Well said.
Thank you. So I'm little surprised. How do you motivate sir yourself?
Actually, English is my passion, and you not need to just motivate it. I am telling you one secret. Secret is learn one skill through English.
Hmm.
Learn one skill that you can just learn how to teach students to speak fluent English. So I start teaching the students online, and that is helping me more better English speaker. First thing. Second thing, that I also teach students to how to become better person. Human
Yeah.
values, public speaking skills, leadership through English. And once you are using English as a tool rather than learning English, learn English as a tool. So once you are just learn, suppose that you are salesman, so learning from English how to sell a product, how to close a deal. And this is the way, once you are just upgrading your skills and putting yourself in challenging situation, always put yourself in challenging situation through English, and this will make your English more better, more powerful, more advanced. You will become more confident person, what a more motivated person. That's
Yes, you're
most.
right, sir. Yeah, you're right. I'm also agreed. Because after putting yourself into a challenging situations of your life, you must starting discovering, exploring a different kinds of a way to get out of this situation. Yes, solving your issues by your own. Because at that time you will be depending on yourself, not to other. So your opinion, what you want through your situations of life, that kinds of things will help you to tackle out that kinds of obstacles of your life and maintain the balance of your situations. Right. You're right, sir. English is just like a jaria, I mean regions, right? To indulge several kinds of field. Whatever knowledge you have, you can spread by this way around the peoples and educate them, awareing them. Right. Yes, you're right. So, how do you manage your day routine? Because you are a teacher, and as you describe so many things
Actually,
about yourself.
I am telling you the best way to manage your time is just distribute your time. Allocate your time for 30 minutes. I have a perfect allocation of my entire time to 30-minute slots, to many 30-minute slots. And this way I have a time for everything. 30 minutes. So entire day I have just allocated 30 minutes. So right. So
Okay,
in a, so I have time for everything. I have used time.
only 30 minutes for each and every goals of your life. Yeah, any
Yes.
work.
Every activity, 30 minutes.
Oh my God. Some of time that kinds of discipline start irritating you, many, maybe, right?
Yes. So
Yeah, because
just
you
I have
can't.
joined this session. So it's 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, I have to close the session. Now another session, if I will join, so 30 minutes, right? I teach students for 30 minutes only. So the slot is my every time is pre-planned and pre-scheduled for 30 minutes. That is
Yeah,
giving me more freedom, more luxury of using my time.
yeah, you're right. Because discipline it's a requirement part of develop your personality, right, sir? You're right. Because you know the value of time more than other people. They have been
No,
investing
not like
plenty
this.
of time into a useless things, but you have a fixed categorize the time according to your part of your life, right? That would be much convenient for you to enjoy, right? Great. So you can sir ask me any question. I don't have now.
Yes, it's good. So I am telling you firstly that just what do you think that what is your weakness in your English speaking, and how what is your plan to just come out from that?
According to me, my weakness, I don't have any weakness. I have only problem. I don't have much experience related various kinds of topic. If I have, then I can describe everything in good manner.
Yes, well,
The same
it,
problem.
well, I would like to just tell you just learn phrases. You have it according to it. You're using according to multiple times. So first thing I would like to tell you, just don't repeat any words. Avoid repetition of the words. First thing, right? So that you can use a phrase. Learn a phrase. I am just giving you a phrase. As far as I am concerned, once you're talking about your own opinion and you're talking about your own thing, you can say as far as I am concerned, right? You can say as far as
Yeah,
I'm concerned, India is much better position than China in the startup ecosystem. Simple. So as far as I am concerned, use this phrase. Learn the phrase. First thing. Second thing, I'm telling you, learn some fluency phrase. Learn some fluency phrases. And the most important thing is that the clarity of the thoughts and organization. How to organize the thoughts, how to speak more clearly, how to speak more confidently and naturally, right? So for that, you
hmm,
need to learn some more techniques, more ideas, and yes, you can just join with me more session. I will just guide you how to just speak and how to
yeah,
speak more confidently, more naturally.
yeah. You can consider like nowadays every one of them have been learning. And every people have their own way of expressing self, right? It's up to that person how they utilize their time and where they have been putting their focus, right? In what part of a spoken field.
Yes. Second
So
thing, I'm,
you're
I'm
right.
telling you, always push your comfort zone. Push your comfort zone. Put yourself in challenging situation where you have to push your comfort zone. Otherwise, what happens once you will get stuck in a comfort zone, you will not able to come out from that zone. So push your comfort zone, right? Suppose
Yeah.
describe a quote, pick a quote and describe this quote. How you can describe? This is the way you have to organize your thoughts and ideas. First thing. Second thing, you can watch a video, advanced English speaker video. Now describe the video instantly. How you can able to describe the video? This is the way you can putting yourself in challenging situation. You have to describe a picture. Simply watch a picture and describe this picture. How you will describe? This is the way you once you are putting yourself in challenging situation, so your English will improve to next level. Otherwise, you will get stuck in that level already.
Yeah, you're right. But as I consider, like, as much as experience you will have, as much as confidently you can express that things according to you at your levels, right?
Yes, actually, you're right. But I am telling you one thing that it's everything is our choice. Our life is our choice, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's your choice that the what you choose, right? A choice. I was watching a video of Tendulkar where he was saying that to face the reverse swing bowling, he used to have a tape on the ball in one side so that he can just play in national, international level in real match more difficult bowling easily. So he's practicing with the one side of the ball with the tape so that the ball automatically come reverse swing and he has to recognize the ball, the which side the ball is coming. So once you are putting yourself in challenging situations, so once in the real situation arise, you're able to deal with it naturally.
Yeah, you're right. I'm also agree, sir.
Yes.
Challenging will teach us so many things of life.
So
Yeah,
yes,
basically, yeah, you're right. I'm also agreed. And I often tell all of the students also, like,
yes,
often you try to, do something else and involve yourself in challenging situations. So
yes. I
maybe
hope that
you try to something get. Yeah.
yes. Okay, so let's wrap today's session. So I hope that you have enjoyed. If you want just more session with me, you can simply contact with me and we will have more session.
Yeah, yeah. Of course. Why not, sir?
Okay, good luck.
So thank you so much for
Okay,
having
welcome.
conversation with me and bye.